Do you know the secret words chefs use in the kitchen? Today you'll learn them in English. In this video, you'll learn English words while cooking simple meals step by step. Let's start. Yesterday, I decided to cook a new recipe for the first time. I had never made lasagna before, but I wanted to try something special. I checked my kitchen for ingredients. I found pasta, cheese, and tomato sauce. I also needed some vegetables and meat. I felt a little nervous because cooking a new dish can be tricky, but I was excited to start. I cleaned the counter, got my utensils ready, and read the first step carefully. I wanted to do everything right. The first step was to prepare the vegetables. I washed the tomatoes and chopped them carefully. I also cut onions and garlic. The fresh smell filled the kitchen. My knife was not very sharp, so I was careful with my fingers. It took some time, but I finished cutting everything. I put the vegetables in separate bowls for later. I felt proud of my progress. Cooking is not just about taste. Preparing ingredients well is very important too. Next, I cooked the meat. I bought minced beef yesterday. I put it in a pan with a little oil. I added salt, pepper, and herbs. The smell filled the kitchen. I stirred the meat carefully to cook it evenly. I was worried it might burn, but I kept the heat low. Cooking slowly is very important. I felt happy when the meat started turning brown. This was my first lasagna, so I wanted to do everything perfectly. While the meat cooked, I made the sauce. I used tomatoes, garlic, and a little cream. I mixed them in a saucepan and heated it slowly. I tasted it and added a little salt. Cooking a new recipe needs attention to small details. I followed each step carefully. I felt a little tired because cooking takes time, but I was excited. Soon I would combine all the ingredients to make my first lasagna. After the sauce was ready, I cooked the pasta. I boiled water in a large pot and added a pinch of salt. When the water boiled, I added the pasta sheets carefully. I watched them cook. It was interesting to see them change shape and become soft. I felt nervous because overcooked pasta can ruin the dish. I used a timer to be safe. Cooking is fun, but it needs attention. So far in these 5 paragraphs, you have heard these important words and phrases. You can write them down in your notebook and repeat them again. When the pasta was ready, I drained it and placed the sheets on a plate. I prepared my baking dish for the lasagna. First, I added a little sauce at the bottom. Then I added pasta sheets, meat, and vegetables. I poured sauce and sprinkled cheese on top. I repeated the layers carefully. I wanted it to look nice. Layering is important for taste and appearance. I felt proud seeing the colorful layers. Cooking is also about creating something beautiful. Before baking, I preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I put the dish inside carefully. The smell of sauce, meat, and cheese filled the kitchen. I set a timer for 30 minutes. Waiting was hard because I was excited to taste my dish. I cleaned the kitchen while waiting. Cooking teaches patience. After a while, the cheese melted and turned golden. I felt very happy. Finally, the lasagna was ready. I took the hot dish out carefully. The aroma was amazing. I cut a piece and put it on a plate. I tasted it slowly. It was delicious. I was proud of myself. Cooking a new dish for the first time gave me confidence. I wanted to share it with my family. I called my sister to try it. My sister arrived and smiled when she saw the lasagna. She said it looked very tasty. We sat together at the table. I served her a piece and explained how I made it. She asked questions about the recipe. I felt happy to share my experience. We ate slowly and enjoyed every bite. Cooking is a wonderful way to connect with others. I was glad I tried this recipe. After eating, we cleaned the table and washed the dishes together. I realized cooking is not just about food, but about sharing moments. My sister gave me advice for next time. She suggested adding more vegetables. I wrote notes to improve. Trying new recipes is a learning process. I felt excited to cook again. Cooking teaches responsibility, patience, and creativity. These are also the most important and new words and phrases from the second part. Be sure to write them in your notebook and remember them by repeating. Later, I thought about the day. I was proud because I tried something new. Making lasagna for the first time was challenging, but I learned a lot. Mistakes are normal and part of learning. I enjoyed the process from preparation to eating. I took photos to remember this day. Sharing it online made me happy. I wanted to inspire others to try new dishes. It was a special day. I thought about the skills I improved today. Chopping vegetables improved my hand skills. Cooking meat taught me how to control heat. Making the sauce helped me understand flavors. Layering the lasagna improved my organization. Waiting patiently showed me the value of patience. Every step is important. Cooking combines skills, attention, and care. This experience gave me confidence to try more recipes. The smell of lasagna stayed in the kitchen for hours. I remembered the small mistakes and how I corrected them. Cooking teaches problem solving. Every chef starts with small steps. My first lasagna was simple but tasty. I felt motivated to cook more. Sharing food creates happiness. I looked forward to my next cooking adventure. I wrote down the recipe in my notebook. I included all steps, ingredients, and timing notes. Writing helps me remember details. I plan to try this recipe again next week. I also thought about a vegetarian version. Cooking gives many chances to experiment. I felt inspired. Food teaches life lessons. Patience, care, and attention make a big difference. Cooking builds confidence and joy. Finally, I shared my experience with friends. I told them the steps, challenges, and fun moments. Some wanted to try the recipe too. I felt happy to inspire others. Cooking is about learning, sharing, and enjoying. My first lasagna taught me more than I expected. Trying something new is always valuable. I went to bed feeling proud. Tomorrow I would try more cooking adventures. Don't forget to write down the new and useful words and phrases from this third part, and be sure to review them by repeating. The next morning, I thought about trying another dish. I wanted to bake cookies this time. Baking is different from cooking because it needs precise timing and measurements. I gathered flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. I was excited and a little nervous again. I cleaned my counter and prepared a big bowl. I measured the ingredients carefully. Following the recipe step by step is very important in baking. I wanted to make sure my cookies would taste good and look nice. I started by mixing the butter and sugar. I used a spoon and then a whisk. The mixture became soft and creamy. I added eggs one by one. I stirred slowly and carefully. The smell of sugar and butter made the kitchen feel warm and cozy. Baking is fun, but it requires patience. I wanted every cookie to be perfect. I felt happy seeing the mixture turning smooth and soft. Cooking and baking teach carefulness and attention to detail. Next, I added flour and a little salt. I mixed it slowly to avoid lumps. I folded the mixture carefully. I noticed that baking needs exact measurements. Too much flour or sugar can change the taste. I double-checked the recipe. I was learning a lot from this experience. My hands were a little messy, but it was fun. I felt proud because I followed all steps. The dough was ready for shaping. Cooking teaches responsibility and precision. I preheated the oven to 180 degrees. Then I prepared the baking tray. I cut small pieces of dough and shaped them into round cookies. I placed them carefully on the tray. I felt excited to see them in the oven. Shaping cookies is fun, but it needs patience. I wanted each cookie to look nice. I cleaned the counter while waiting. Baking teaches patience and focus. Soon the cookies would bake and smell wonderful in the kitchen. The cookies started baking. The aroma filled the kitchen quickly. I watched them through the oven glass. They began to turn golden. I felt proud of my work. Baking is amazing because it shows results in a short time. I cleaned some dishes while waiting. I learned that baking is about timing and care. I waited carefully to take them out. I was happy because everything looked perfect. The words and phrases from part 4 can be very useful for you. Don't forget to write them in your notebook. When the cookies were ready, I took the tray out carefully. The smell was sweet and pleasant. I let them cool for a few minutes. I tasted one slowly. It was crunchy and soft inside. I felt proud and happy. Baking teaches patience and attention to detail. I wanted to share the cookies with my friends. I thought about decorating some with chocolate later. Cooking and baking give joy not only from eating, but also from making food. I called my friend to come and try the cookies. She arrived with a big smile. I offered her a warm cookie. She said it was delicious. We drank tea and talked while eating. I explained how I baked them and the steps I followed. She asked questions and gave me tips for the next time. Sharing food makes cooking even more enjoyable. I felt proud that my effort made someone happy. Cooking connects people in simple but meaningful ways. After she left, I cleaned the kitchen. I thought about what I learned today. Baking is different from cooking. It teaches patience, care, and precision. Every step matters. I felt motivated to try other recipes. I realized that making mistakes is normal and part of learning. Baking and cooking are creative and practical skills. I was happy to spend the day in the kitchen. The next day, I wanted to try a simple soup recipe. I gathered carrots, potatoes, onions, and herbs. I washed and chopped all the vegetables carefully. Preparing ingredients is an important step. I filled a pot with water and added the vegetables. I heated it slowly and added a little salt. Cooking a soup teaches patience. I watched the vegetables soften and release their flavors. I felt happy learning new cooking techniques. I added some herbs and spices to improve the flavor. I tasted the soup and added a little more salt. Cooking is about adjusting flavors. I stirred slowly and watched the color change. The kitchen smelled fresh and inviting. I enjoyed the calm feeling of cooking soup. I realized that simple dishes can be very satisfying. Learning to cook everyday meals is very useful. I felt proud of making something healthy and tasty. While the soup cooked, I made bread. I mixed flour, water, and yeast. Kneading the dough was fun but tiring. I let it rest for some time. The smell of fresh bread rising was amazing. Cooking different dishes at the same time is challenging. I learned to organize my time and workspace. Baking bread teaches patience and care. I felt excited to taste the fresh bread with the soup. Cooking is both creative and practical. After the bread was ready, I cut a piece and tasted it. It was soft inside and slightly crunchy outside. I felt proud of my baking skills. Cooking is about learning by doing. Every dish teaches something new. I cleaned the kitchen while enjoying the smell of fresh bread. Cooking at home is rewarding. I realized that simple ingredients can create amazing dishes. I was motivated to continue learning more recipes. In the afternoon, I tried making a salad. I washed lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I cut them into small pieces. I added olive oil, salt, and lemon juice. Mixing the salad was easy but satisfying. Cooking healthy meals is important. I felt happy because the salad looked colorful and fresh. Preparing food carefully shows respect for ingredients. Cooking teaches appreciation for simple things. I felt proud to make a healthy meal. I decided to make a simple dessert. I mixed yogurt, honey, and fruits in a bowl. It was colorful and sweet. Making dessert is fun because it is easy and quick. I felt satisfied seeing the result. Cooking is also about creativity. I thought about trying new fruits next time. Preparing food carefully brings joy. I shared the dessert with my family. Everyone enjoyed it and gave compliments. In the evening, I prepared tea and served the dessert. I felt happy and relaxed. Cooking teaches patience, creativity, and organization. Every dish, even simple ones, brings learning and satisfaction. I thought about tomorrow's cooking plans. I wanted to try new recipes every week. Food is a way to connect with people. I felt grateful for the chance to cook and share. The day was full of joy and learning. And these are the final useful words and phrases. Today's topic was about cooking expressions and practical words. I'd be happy if you follow us and leave a comment so we can make another video. Goodbye.